Night school was once a big part of China's adult education to improve people's literacy levels. Today in Shanghai, many office workers rush to night school after work. Here they are learning a variety of art subjects instead of reading and writing. Traditional instruments, water and ink painting, picking opera, and bamboo weaving, various Chinese art courses are among the most popular ones. Packed with 9-to-5ers, night schools are becoming a trendy lifestyle for young people in Shanghai.
离家比较近吧，就是让我们这些囊中羞涩的打工族，就是可以就以超高性价比。
Teachers at night schools are mostly experienced and even famous artists. Some picking opera teachers are national-level actors, and some crafting classes are taught by inheritors of intangible cultural heritage.
关于中软的课呢，我其实是从今年上半年开始开课的。那么，因为我本身自己会的乐器比较多，所以我在夜校呢有担任就是非洲鼓啊、尤克里里和吉他的各种课程。我们这边市民夜校的学员呢，基本是18到50区间，大部分的年龄层是25到35之间，会更多一些。
Combining education with traditional Chinese cultures, attending night classes is not only a way to have fun, but also a way to immerse oneself in the history and understand its value. Covering over a dozen art genres with professional instructors, night schools in Shanghai are getting so hot that it's difficult to secure a spot. During the peak time, there are over 650,000 people online registering for classes at the same time.
就在网上各种流传说，现在上海流行夜校已经变成了都市白领的 club，所以我觉得除了去看电影、去酒吧、去各种的娱乐场所以外，其实也可以选择这种更有益身心的，在娱乐的同时能够交到新的朋友，同时也能学习一个新的技能，我觉得这是它的意义所在吧。
上海反正也是个国际化大都市嘛，所以说我觉得开办这种班级啊，都是对推广这种艺术文化，包括我们那个传统的一些乐器，都是挺有帮助。